Okay. So I got this a couple minutes ago. I will tell you right now. Here's what's in it. It says for Johnson & Johnson gauze pads. I only got 2, but that is nothing to me because I'm able to put 2 more gauze pads in here easily. But it comes with 2 Johnson & Johnson hand cleansing wipes. It comes with 4, well, 2 for me, 2 packs. Wait, what? Of that. That. By the way, they don't count the case as one of these. So yeah. So let's open it. It's Johnson & Johnson branded. By the way, for my Homeless Hobo kit, this is what's going in it. Here you see it has the 2 cleansing wipes, which I actually have used before when I had another one. Bandages, the small ones, as you see, and the bigger ones. So, yeah. But it's hard to see through this. Here are the 2 packs. Does it mean there's 2 in here? Oh no. But here's the 2 I got. And here's the 2 I put in here. And it says I do have a big Be Safe, Get Smart, or Be Smart, Get Prepared things. I put 2 more gauze pads in here. And it was nothing to me. So, yeah. Now we have like a 12 pack. Honestly, the reason I'm going to do this is because what if I only had the money and I was homeless and I could only afford, say, $1 kit, first aid kit for myself. Now, this is good for the purse, backpack, luggage, gym bag, okay? There's a better look at what's in there. 12 items, see back panel. By the way, they don't, if I did get the 4, that's a bonus right there. Now, what I don't like is this stuff is made in China. Johnson & Johnson, you can easily get back to America. So, yeah. Now, I'm going to try to get this in as is, like this. Yes. So I can get this in here. Okay, good. Then what we do is we push this down. Right here we get to where it needs to be. And then, bam. But yeah, I figure if I was homeless, I only had like $1, whatever this costs, for a first aid kit, and that's it. I wouldn't be screwed because I would have a kit that's actually pretty good. These you can easily use to wash your wound out. And all this. So, that's why I got this. Now, I could add whatever, but I'm not going to. The only reason I added the other 2 gauze pads is because it says 4. Flexible fabric, wait. What does it? Oh no. 4 Johnson & Johnson gauze pads. So yeah. Ideal for minor cuts and scrapes. In case of deep puncture wounds or serious burns, consult a physician. For medical emergencies, seek professional help. That's actually a good thing, because it's like, it advises you, hey, this is just for minor stuff. So yeah, I'm going to EDC this when I get my Homeless Hobo kit back up. Anyway, peace.